Hello, and welcome to my channel. I am Lysanda Marie, and welcome to yet another Stitch Fix video. Today I'm going to be opening up my fall Stitch Fix. I'm really excited about this. I actually peeked in what's in my box, and I'm super excited to try on what's in there. Cannot wait. In this fix, I actually requested some jeans in there. I also requested a jean jacket, because what is fall without a fun jean jacket? So let's go ahead and let's read what she had to say to me. So my stylist said this: "Your style delivered. Hi Lysanda." Hey Lysanda. Happy Fix Day. I love learning about your personal style and picking out pieces for your fix. How did you like our fix preview feature? I'm so glad a couple pieces caught your eye, and I appreciate the feedback. By the way, I did pick a couple from, if you're not sure what a fix preview is, you actually get to preview a few things that are actually in your box. So I actually picked two things. I picked a pair of jeans, and I also picked a leopard print long sleeve shirt. And I also asked her if she could add another pair of jeans. The pair of jeans that she had in there, I wasn't really fond of, so I actually asked her for another pair, so I'm really excited to see what that looks like then. All right, so here we go. Okay, so I'm so glad a couple pieces caught your eye, and I appreciate the feedback. I'm hoping these new fall looks will bring a smile to your face. Getting things started today with these two great pairs of bottoms, our medium wash Democracy bootcut jeans and our dark wash Duty Blue skinny jeans. Woo! I love them. All right, will make the perfect addition to your wardrobe. Pair either of these bottoms with our adorable pink clover animal print top for an effortless new weekend outing look this fall. That sounds cute. I also picked our violets and roses top in blue that I know will look fabulous on you. Be sure to finish these looks with our trendy Liverpool denim jacket. So we did get a denim jacket. And then she says, "Enjoy, Taylor." I really love my stylist. My stylist is so awesome. She has been pretty much getting my style on the die. So I'm excited. Let's go ahead and just dive right into these clothing. So the first shirt is this really cute top. I really like the top part of the shirt is pretty soft. The bottom part is not rough, but not soft. It's actually a different material than the top part of it. The flowers are cute, even though I do tend to like a lot of flowers, because obviously you see I'm wearing a Lily Pulitzer top, and Lily does a lot of flower tops. I'm not sure if I really tend to like the flowers that are on the shirt, but who knows, I might like it. Let's go ahead and try it on. There we go, cute. All right, right off the bat, the shirt does look really cute on. The only thing that I don't really care about this shirt is the bottom part. I told you is more of a rougher fabric. It actually has no give. So the top part is stretchy, just the bottom part isn't. So not that I didn't have too hard of a time getting it on. It was just a little bit more snug than what I really cared for. Even though the shirt looks really cute on, I don't think that I will be keeping this one. Let's go ahead and try the next one on. Ooh, all right, so this was one that I actually picked out of my look that I was able to pick ahead of time. In person, even though I do like leopard print, I'm not really sure if I am fond of the look in person. It does have neat detailing on the back. It actually has cute little buttons, if you can see that, on the back. And the elbows, these are kind of cute. You've got the little elbow pads, or whatever you say that. I think it's got a cute little touch. I think we need to try it on before we give our full consensus on this. There we go, look at this, so cute. So this is why you don't judge a book by its cover. Sometimes things off the hanger doesn't always look the same as they do once you try them on. And I actually like it. It's actually really cute. Even my husband thought it looked adorable. So we love it. I actually like it. And this might be in the consensus. I might actually be keeping this shirt. It is really adorable. And I really do love animal print quite a lot. So I might just be keeping this one. All right, so moving on to the next item of clothing. Woo! Here it is, adorable. It is really cute. It is jean jacket. To be honest, if I'm being quite frank, I am not fond of white articles of clothing. I probably should have specified to my stylist that I wanted a dark colored jean jacket. So it is a jean jacket. It's actually, even though the only quip that I have about this jean jacket is that it is white, but I'm gonna give it some thought once I stick this thing on. But what I will say is it does have sort of a soft feel to it, which I do like that about that. And it seems like it's pretty stretchy. So, it gives you room just in case it's tight around the arms or anything like that. So now let's go ahead and try this on. Ooh, okay, all right, here we go. To be quite frank, I'm not really fond of the color at all. Although the jacket is very, very comfy, it's very comfy, very stretchy, so I would just say that. I like the fit. The fit is amazing. It's so stretchy, which I completely love. The only quip that I have about this jean jacket is that it is white and not like a blue denim color. So unfortunately, I will not be purchasing this, but if this jacket had been in a blue color, I would have hopped right onto this jacket. Other than that, there we go. The next item is the jeans. Here they are. I really like the color of them. These are boot cut, so I'm super stoked to try them on. I really like the wash as well. I even like this cute little detailing. I do kind of like the funky little detailing right there. It's now time to try them on. Ooh, okay, so there we go. There we have it. Oh my word, I am loving them. They're really cute. They're so comfy. Yeah, they fit me so perfect. They've actually fit me like a glove. And with someone who has super long legs like me, I am always so excited that Stitch Fix has longs and extra longs. What I really love about Stitch Fix is that they do cater to tall people because the length on these jeans are so amazing. I love them so much, and they just fit me like a glove. They're super stretchy, and I just love them a lot. And the wash of them is so cute. Now I think it's time to try on our very, very last pair of jeans, and here we go. Ooh, all right. These are adorable. The wash is a little bit darker than the other pair I have on, and they're actually a skinny jean. They're super cute. I do like the wash. The wash is very, very cute, and they do seem like they are pretty stretchy. I think it's now time for me to put them on. So let's just slap them onto my body like we did with the others. Here we go. All right. So I will say right off the bat, I do like the wash and the color of these jeans. They're stretchy. They're just not as stretchy as the first pair that I had tried on. I like the wash. The only quip that I do have about this is it feels more like a cropped jean that doesn't actually go all the way down to my ankles. If you can see, it doesn't go all the way down to my ankle. They are very cute jeans. The only thing is that I just wish that they were a little bit longer. I could make them into a cropped pant. Well, they are a cropped pant, almost. Well, because of my length, it's more like a cropped pant, and I could cover them to make it more like a capri. But yeah, there you have it. That's really cute. And yeah, if you like this video, don't forget to give me a humongous big thumbs up. Subscribe to my channel down there. Hit that bell notification so you can see every single time that I post. And I will see you next time. Bye.